We're often asked, what do all these words across your hose mean? So today we're going to explain to you what each of the items on the lay line of the hose describes. So this particular lay line is very bright white, which is very helpful. And it happens to be our 4SH hose. So the 4SH hose, as an industry standard, is actually a 4-wire hose. So you'll see it refers to 4SH, and the number 12-12 refers to the fact that it is 3/4 of an inch in size, assuming that number 16 is going to be 1 inch. The next thing, of course, is we're just telling you it's hydraulic hose. It is 3/4 inch. Again, it's replicated on the hose, so there's no confusion. You've got the -12, then you've got the 3/4 inch. The EN856 is just another interpretation of the 4SH hose. It then refers to the fact that this hose will support a pressure rating of 6,090 psi maximum working pressure. The MISHA symbol here, MISHA IC819, refers to the fact that this is approved for fire safety for use in mining. And then, of course, we've got the manufacturer, which is the hydraulic hose, Hydraulex, and then you'll see it was manufactured in the third quarter of 2018. So you can actually identify the exact date that this hose was manufactured, who the manufacturer was, the pressure rating on the hose, the size of the hose. Every bit of information you need to know about the hose is identified right there on the lay line.